welcome to Mercy Video Styles channel. My name is Mercy. In today's video, guys, I'm going to work in my dining area. This video is dedicated especially for Deborah Gatson. Guys, she's one of my subscribers. She always sent me her home decor, how she decorate her home for holiday, and I really appreciate her taking her time to take pictures and send them over to me. Okay guys, without further ado, let's jump into the video and keep on watching. Okay guys, this is Deborah Gatson dining area decor. I really love. Guys, she always nailed the centerpiece. I have to stretch out the picture just to fit the screen, but guys, the centerpiece is very beautiful. At the end of the screen, you will see the full centerpiece. I really love what she created, and this is one of my favorite, guys. As you can see, she takes so much time and effort to style her credenza. Very traditional, very beautiful. Deborah Gatson, I'll give you 10 out of 10 because you did an excellent job. I really appreciate it. I really love your work and you did super really good. I put the pictures side to side so you can see the full centerpiece of the table. Deborah, I cannot wait to see what you create for Christmas. Okay guys, let's go make a table setting for Deborah. This video, guys, I'm using a little bit dark color, dark orange, because this is by far my last video for fall this year, and that's the look I'm going to keep for Thanksgiving. That's the exact look I'm going to use for my table setting for Thanksgiving. And Deborah Gatson is very special to me. She's not only a subscriber, she's a friend. She always come in to support me, and I truly appreciate you. I truly appreciate every single one of you guys. If you're a home decor lover or any type of your niche that you have, if you need a shout out, you want me to show your work, don't hesitate to email me. My email is in the description box down below. Make sure to check it out. Send me email. Even if you don't want me to say, you can only email me, say hi to me. I truly appreciate you. Alright guys, as you can see, the table, I'm setting everything. The placemat, I get them from Burlington, the runner from Amazon, and this beautiful charger, I got it from ilikable. So everything that I'm using in the video, I'm going to leave it in the description box down below. If you want to recreate the look, or if anything that you like, you want to buy, don't hesitate to check the link down below. You will find everything that is in the video. I'll tell you exactly where I get them from.
I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. Will you put your hands?
I have this plate for quite a while. I never use them. I save them for a special occasion. Today it's for one of my special person. So yes, I love it, so I use it today. I always take some time to welcome everyone that new to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Mercy. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit on the notification bell. On my next upload, you'll be the first person to know. In my channel, guys, I do pretty much everything. I do my hair, my nails, home decor, DIY, clean with me, product review. If you're not new and you haven't subscribed yet, please consider to do so today. To all my subscribers, thank you so much, guys. Without you, I'll never be where I am today. I'm truly grateful for every single one of you guys. I love you all and keep on watching.
Oh yeah, yeah, I'm flying over the clouds, and I'm not coming down. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. Will you put your hands in mine and know I'm gonna be alright? I don't know what you do.
Okay guys, this is the finished look. Let me know down below what do you think, if you like it. If you do, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and share the love with your friend and family. And don't forget to leave me a comment down below. I would love to hear from you. Okay guys, that was all for today, and thank you so much for taking your time watching the video. I love you all, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.